Alright, hello everyone, welcome back. Now, I thought it'd be a good idea for me to try and cook up some Portobello steaks for a change, in an attempt to have a healthier diet. So, I'm just going to go over that real quick with you all. I thought maybe I'd share it with everybody. And well, let's get started. So, the first thing I looked up to do is how to clean these properly. So, what I saw was that you're supposed to scoop out the inner filters of them a little bit with a spoon because it gives it like a muddy, dirty taste if you don't, and you don't need that. So I scraped the best I could with this spoon, and as you can see, the one on the bottom left didn't do too well, but I tried to salvage what I could out of it. So from there, we moved on to the next step. Now here I just prepared the marinade. From what I looked up, it seems extra virgin olive oil, a few tablespoons of that, maybe about 4. Some balsamic vinegar, about 4 tablespoons of that. About 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 4 tablespoons of thyme. I even added a little bit more thyme here and there, just because it was. I know the flavor and I know what I would like to put in there. So also I diced up some cauliflower, a little bit of spinach, which is good for you, and I put about 12 garlic cloves in there. A lot of garlic because I love my garlic. You might not like that much. And this is just to let it marinate while we preheat the oven. So that brings us to the oven. So here we are, preheated at 400 degrees. And I'm going to put it in. It says, you can cook it for about 15-20 minutes. I might do 25 or so. We'll see how I feel with how I'm going to do it when I check it. Because I'm going to wait about 10-12 minutes, and maybe I'll turn it, maybe I'll flip them. We'll see what happens. And then I'll put them back in for a few minutes more. All right? All right. So you guys ready for this? You getting hungry? Does this sound good so far? Keep watching, because by the end of it, I will sample it, so you know that it's good for you, and I didn't die trying to cook for myself. All right, let's go to the next slide. So here we are about 25 minutes later. I did my turn. I took it out halfway through and turned them around, and I used a spoon to grab the marinade and just pour it over the mushrooms again for another about 10 minutes. And well, this is how it looks when it's done. Not too much to it. And boy, am I hungry now. I have to give this a try. All right, guys, I suppose I will share a little video of me sampling it and giving it a try. So here goes. All right, so here I am, about to try my first Portobello steak. Let's see how it goes, shall we? What do we go? Okay, enough of that. Let's see here. Now, if we know how to cut our food properly, let's take a little bit of steak cut here. Okay. Here goes, everybody. Here we go. I'm trying to give a thumbs up without talking with my mouth full. Let's try one more piece. Thumbs up. It's delicious. I'll post links in the description below for the food. I'm not quite an Amazon affiliate yet. I don't know if they like me, but I'm going to keep trying anyway. Thanks for watching my videos, everybody. Bye-bye. Where's the stop button? Stop button.